I love the Jurassic Park movies. Those action sequences of the movies are just so much fun. They're so intense. Now, have you ever noticed in those movies, whenever a dinosaur is attacking, it always seems to be raining, right? Well, rain can be a great way to enhance the mood of a scene and make it more scary. It even works in literature. When you're reading a book and it starts off with, "It was a dark and stormy night," you know some terrible things are about to happen. Well, rain and weather effects can play the same kind of role in a movie or a TV show. But here's the thing, how do you make it rain here in Hollywood when it's nearly sunny year-round? Well, folks, we're actually going to show you right here in the old Mexico area of the backlot. You'll want to get your cameras ready and point them to the left. So we got a storm on it, right? We got some lightning and thunder. The lightning is coming from strobe lights, and the thunder is being played from speakers that are hidden throughout the area. But normally in a movie, the thunder gets added in post-production by something called a Foley artist. Now let's add some rain. Now the rain is falling from things that are very fancy and high-tech, and we here in Hollywood like to call those things sprinklers. Now, rain is actually really difficult to capture on camera. It's kind of like when you're watching a football game at home on your television, and announcers say it's raining, but you can never see the raindrops, right? But that's because their rain is not backlit. To make raindrops appear on camera, you have to put a light source from behind the raindrops to make them shimmer and shine, honestly kind of like how the sunlight is doing right now, and that way the camera can see them. Now these sprinklers on set could be called rain rigs, rain bars, or rain wands, and they can be adjusted to make this look like a light misting all the way to a heavy downpour. And speaking of heavy downpours, it's a flash flood. Look out, everybody! So this right here is a planned flash flood. It's an effect we added to the tour all the way back in the year 1968. If you're a big fan of the movie Big Fat Lair, you might recognize it from the scene on your screen. Take a look. Big Fat Lair star Paul Giamatti, Frankie Muniz, and Amanda Bynes. If you're a big fan of Lady Gaga, you might recognize that same flash flood effect because she used it for her music video for the song Judas. Lady Gaga herself stood in the path of all that water and drenched her completely.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.